Good morning, it's Dave D, and I want to show you the power requirements for two units, both connected to one PWM on a 12-volt battery. And the two units are the Big Kahuna. You can see that up close. And the Vortex unit, which I designed. And the Vortex unit actually seems to be putting out a lot more than the Big Kahuna. I need some good way to measure, but you will see the bubbles in the bubbler when we start this up. So we have separate hoses. You can see the reinforced hose for the Vortex, so you can watch the bubbles coming out of that when we start it up, and the clear one for the Big Kahuna, so you can kind of compare the bubble output. This unit on the side here is my, calling it atomic hydrogen boiler. Don't know what it's going to do. I'm getting set to direct the HHO into the boiler and ignite it, and we'll see, if we get some heat or what comes out of it. Okay. This is the PWM. It's unique in that it connects both units, so that's very handy. We have both units connected to the one. We have our ammeter here. The ammeter, I don't know if you can see this, with the power off, it's showing 4 amps. So, and it doesn't take a lot of amps, so it's going to jump up a little bit, but I just wanted you to see that we're not running 4 amps because it's turned off. There's the on-off switch. Okay, one of the things, I think what I'll do is focus in, get set here with the on-off switch, and I'm going to focus right in on the ammeter so we can see how that jumps. Let's see. Okay, watch it closely. Okay, and let's look at the output. It's just going crazy. Look at the bubbles. You can see the one on the left is the one from the Vortex, and it is going at a great rate. The one on the right is the one on the Big Kahuna, and it seems to be about 1/10, maybe 1/20 of the rate. When the Vortex is fired up, it just goes bonkers, completely fills with bubbles. I don't know if this gets any clearer. It's the whole case is just filled with bubbles, and that is just Orgone water and E22. Okay, we'll look down at the amps again. And as you can see, it's drawing very few amps. It started at 4. I think we're just under 5. So it's drawing a fraction of an amp, maybe 1 amp at the most. I'll turn it off so you can see the needle go down. Let's see if I can get this focused again. All right, the needle dropped a little bit. I'm also going to refire this up so you can see the bubbles. Let's see if I can turn this a little bit. Okay, I'm going to fire it up so you can see those bubbles again. Okay, very steady bubbles. So that's the Vortex using Orgone water. Both of these units have Orgone water. They use E22 for the electrolyte, and it's about a 25% mixture by weight of E22. So that's a lot of electrolyte. It should be drawing at least 30 amps. But as you can see, we're right down there at just about an amp. Remember, we started at 4. We're just a little over 4 now. So, okay, well, that's the show. And this is Dave signing out.